Imagine stepping into a kitchen filled with aroma and flavor. The magic of spices. Today, let's explore 9 of the most famous kitchen spices that transform simple dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences. Black pepper. Known as the king of spices, black pepper has been cherished for thousands of years. Its journey began in the lush tropical forests of India, particularly on the Malabar coast. Black pepper was so valuable that it was once called black gold and traded along ancient spice routes. Its sharp, pungent flavor enhances everything from soups to steaks, making it indispensable in kitchens worldwide. Cinnamon. Sweet, warm, and aromatic, cinnamon has enchanted people for centuries. Originally from Sri Lanka, this spice comes from the inner bark of cinnamon trees. Ancient Egyptians used it in perfumes and even in embalming rituals. Today, cinnamon flavors desserts, beverages, and savory dishes alike, bringing a touch of history and warmth to every bite. Turmeric, with its vibrant golden color and earthy flavor. Turmeric is a superstar in both kitchens and medicine cabinets. Native to South Asia, particularly India, turmeric has been used for over 4,000 years for its anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond giving curry its signature yellow hue, it adds depth and health benefits to stews, rice dishes, and teas. Cloves. These tiny flower buds pack a punch of sweet and spicy aroma. Cloves originated in the Maluku Islands of Indonesia, known as the Spice Islands. Traders valued cloves highly, transporting them along ancient trade routes to Europe and the Middle East. Perfect in desserts, spice blends, and even savory meats, cloves carry the exotic taste of history in every bite. Ginger, with its zesty, slightly sweet heat, ginger has been a culinary and medicinal gem for millennia. It comes from Southeast Asia, especially India and China, and has traveled the world as a prized root. Ginger enhances teas, sauces, marinades, and baked goods, adding warmth, flavor, and a little kick to almost any dish. Salt, the simplest yet most essential of all. Salt has been treasured since ancient times. From the mines of Poland to the coasts of the Mediterranean, salt was a precious commodity, used not only to flavor food but also to preserve it. Its presence elevates every dish, balancing flavors and enhancing the natural taste of ingredients. Cardamom, known as the queen of spices, cardamom hails from the forests of India and Sri Lanka. Its sweet, aromatic flavor has been adored in both sweet and savory dishes for thousands of years. Used in teas, desserts, and curries, cardamom adds a luxurious exotic touch to every recipe. Paprika, vibrantly red and mild to smoky in flavor, paprika is native to Central America but became famous through Hungarian cuisine. Paprika adds color, depth, and a gentle warmth to stews, meats, and sauces, turning ordinary dishes into a feast for the eyes and palate. Nutmeg. With its warm, nutty, and slightly sweet flavor, nutmeg has been treasured since the spice trade era. Native to the Banda Islands of Indonesia, nutmeg was once considered so valuable it sparked global trade rivalries. Today, it enriches desserts, beverages, and savory dishes, leaving a subtle, aromatic signature in every bite. Saffron, the most luxurious of all spices. Saffron comes from the delicate stigma of crocus flowers, primarily grown in Iran, Spain, and India. Its golden hue, distinctive aroma, and subtle earthy flavor make it a symbol of elegance in cooking. Saffron elevates rice dishes, desserts, and sauces, adding a royal touch to any culinary creation. From the tropical coasts of India to the aromatic spice islands of Indonesia, from Central America to the golden fields of saffron, these 9 spices are more than just ingredients. They are stories of culture, trade, and flavor that have shaped cuisines across the globe. Next time you sprinkle a pinch of black pepper, stir in turmeric, or savor a hint of saffron, remember you're holding centuries of culinary history in your hands.